Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily change language in Windows 11 operating system for your notebook or computer. If this video will be helpful, what you can do guys is just write down below in the comments that this video helped you, so when other people will come here, they will be like, okay, I can watch this video, it's worth it. So what you can do is pretty simple. Go to bottom, right click on start, click settings. Now when you're gonna click settings, you want to simply click time and language, and then language and region. Then what you can do is to simply, you're gonna see window display language. I have English, Czech Republic and Slovak, and you can simply click here, add a language. You can also change a region here. I'm going to click add a language, and I would just choose a language here and just like add it. And that's pretty much it. And this is how you can change language. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.